So first time in Pulau Ubin, so let's go. Alright, so we've made it to Pulau Ubin. The weather's looking good today. Got 3 locations planned for this video. Right now we're going to be renting our bikes and then we're going to be going around exploring the island. And yeah, hopefully if all things go well, we should be able to see this more hidden side of Singapore. So without further ado, let's go. Yeah. This map. Let's go.
When you faded in the daylight, I could take you away. 'Cause I'm chasing what I can't find, and I'll make it, if I make it, I'll stay.
Alright, so heading to our first location right now. It's gonna be a viewpoint. It's a few minutes away from the jetty over there. So yeah, we're gonna get onto our bikes and we're gonna head there and we're gonna see what the first place has in store for us. So yeah, let's go.
Growing restless in the way, searching for a brighter day.
Alright, so we've made it to the infamous hilltop viewpoint here at Pulau Ubin. And check out this view behind me. So right now I'm going to be taking out the Ronin SC gimbal to hopefully get some slow motion clips of this place. Right now the sun is out behind, which should help add to the atmosphere and bring out those nice warm tones in the image. I'm also going to be taking some photos using this Kodak film disposable camera, which I picked up a while ago. So right now we're going to get shooting and we'll see how this goes. Alright, so we've made it to our last stop over here at the Chek Jawa wetlands over here in Pulau Ubin. So we're gonna stop here and take a break for a while. I'm gonna shoot some time lapses. I'm gonna get my camera on the gimbal and hopefully we're gonna get some nice cinematics over here. And yeah, without further ado, let's get these shots.